Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to switch these emojis keys on your Logitech Pop Keys keyboard. So I have different emojis here, as you can see. And to switch them is pretty easy, just take them out and put the other ones in. So I'm gonna put the fire emoji here, just like that. Then I'm gonna put maybe this emoji instead of that one. So just take it out, put the other one in. And now go to your PC, to the app that you have for your keyboard. If you don't know how to install it, there is a video on our channel on how to do it on Mac or on Windows. And you can see here I have the app. Then I can click on these buttons right here and select which emojis I have set. So for this one I have the fire emoji, so I'm just gonna search for it, or maybe let's search fire. Yes, it's this one. Then for this one I have a heart. So this is the heart. Here I have the smile, I guess it is what it's called. So let's assign it to this one. Then this one I have the heart eyes, so let's set it here. And the emojis menu I have here as well. So now it is set up and I can just use them. So let me show you. Let's open maybe notes. Here I have notes opened and I can click on these emojis to type them in. And I can also click on this button to open the emoji switcher. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.